Hello, welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, Step by Step. I like to go over integers. What are integers? Integers are positive and negative numbers. So first I'd like to go over a number line. But you will be able to understand and know how to use a number line in order to add and subtract integers. Again, those are positive and negative numbers. And so let's go ahead and just take a look at a quick example here. So here we have our number line. And starting in the very center is the value of 0. Moving to the right, each unit, you're moving to the right 1 in the positive direction. Now this number line goes on and on and on into infinity, excuse me. I stopped here at 11. Starting here at the 0 mark, moving to the left, each digit is a move in a negative direction. Negative direction, infinity. And notice here, we have -1 and -11. And someone might say, hey, which of these two terms, -1 or -11, has a greater value? And you would just think, oh, well, 11, right? 11 has to have a greater value. And that's not true. -1 has a greater value because it's closer to 0. And these negative values can be tricky. So just make sure you understand the value closest to 0 when you're talking about the negative values. Anything to the left of 0, the largest value is closer to 0. Think of it this way. Hey, would you rather owe me $1, a -1, or would you rather owe me a -$11, right? So -1 is closer to 0. You have a larger value when it's a -1. Hey, let's take a look on how to use this particular number line. So I have a problem here. What is, this is the question, -5 plus a +7? Let's use the number line. Eventually, after you get used to using the number line, you'll be able to understand how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers to get a value. But here, and I'm not trying to hide anything, I want to show clearly how you add these values. So I want to show you, I could start at -5 or I could start at a +7. In the example above, I have started in the blue at a -5. And then I'm going to add 7 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 is 5, 1 is 6, and then here is 7. I stop at 7. -5 plus +7 gives me a +2. Now I also want to show you how you could have started at the +7 mark and gone 5 in the negative direction. So I'll start here at a +7. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I still end up here at that +2 value. You could, using a number line, you can choose either method. Okay, so here's video number 1 on how to use a number line. In the next couple of videos, I'd like to show you examples of using a number line. Again, once you get used to using a number line, I've got some instructional videos on how to show you with rules on adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, where you'll be able to understand how to use a number line if you need to, but also how to add or subtract integers, those are positive and negative numbers, manually without a number line. Hey, math is easy, step by step. Thank you for joining me.